This channel uncovers practical, budget-friendly routes to repair smartphones and laptops without specialized tools. Each video breaks down a common fault into simple steps, from diagnostics to part replacement, with safety tips and cost comparisons. Viewers learn to assess root causes, reuse parts where possible, and measure savings against professional service fees. The host emphasizes planning, using the right torque, anti-static practices, and sourcing reputable but affordable parts. By the end, a confident technician emerges ready to tackle upgrades and minor fixes with a clear roadmap today.